Hi everyone, welcome to this new demo session. And this topic is a new feature that we introduced in Jupyter Lab requirements. Basically, we want to add a plugin that rewrites and not remove, but comment out the pip cells. So in this way, we can help developers, data scientists to manage their dependencies in a safe way and basically make the notebook reproducible. This will be done basically using one of Thoth extension that stores all the dependencies information in the notebook. And the example that I will show you is basically a simple notebook where I put some example of typical commands that you use with pip. And the first thing we introduce is a warning. So if you try to just go on these cells, you will see that there is a pop-up here that shows that you should not use these pip commands, but you should use horus clean, because this will convert these commands to have the Jupyter Lab requirements commands. And the second thing is if you try to write also, this should happen as well. Yes, so if you try to start writing something, if you have a new notebook, for example, and you start doing that, the extension will warn you. And the first is if you run the cell, but I don't run it now, but we'll do that as well. So we introduced this new command that you can just run, and it basically modified the notebook cells to be properly handled. So now you have all the commands that are handled by the Jupyter Lab requirements. So if you open the dependency, you see that they are added correctly. Yes, you need to save, of course. Well, yes, and you can just run all of them. And as you see, also the one with the requirement txt are commented out. We cannot find a requirement txt at the moment, but we can warn them that that is not the good practice. And that's all. Any questions?
Just one, the horus clean command, why is it called clean? Because I think you said 2 times it's a convert.
You are right. Well, because at the beginning I thought this would run when we start the notebook. So actually I should not even run it, so I didn't thought about the name. But then I changed it. So we can change the name, yeah, sure. Can be converted.
Exactly. So it's really converting all the cells that use pip install blah 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 to something horus. Yeah.
Yes.
Feels like a convert.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Cool.
Any other questions? Otherwise, thank you very much and see you next time.